The temperature of a glass of lemonade is initially 5 degrees Celsius when brought into a room which is 30 degrees Celsius. After 5 minutes, the lemonade has warmed to 10 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature of the lemonade after 10 minutes? Recall the general solution of simple inhibited growth is y is equal to capital P minus y sub 0 times e to the negative kt power. The information provided in this scenario indicates that P is equal to 30 since the room is 30 degrees Celsius. That'll show up right here. The temperature of the lemonade was initially 5 degrees, so y sub 0 is equal to 5. And after 5 minutes, the temperature warmed to 10 degrees, so y equals 10 when t equals 5. We get that right here. Now I make the appropriate substitutions with the goal of solving for e to the negative kt power. Solving for e to the negative kt power directly will make our calculations easier. Using subsequent calculations such as y is equal to 10 when t is equal to 5 will help us solve for e to the negative k power directly. So I make the appropriate substitutions and follow basic algebraic steps, which gives me 10 equals 30 minus the quantity 30 minus 5 times e to the negative 5, because we're using this condition right here. When t is 5, y is 10. I follow basic algebraic steps, and I get to this step right here, where 4/5 is equal to e to the negative 5k power. The next step involves multiplying the exponents on both sides by 1/5 to get 4 raised to the 1/5 power is equal to e to the negative kt power. I'm sorry, I meant e to the negative k power, not kt power. So making the appropriate substitution by replacing e to the negative k with 4/5 to the 1/5 power, we have y is equal to 30 minus the quantity 30 minus 5 times 4/5 raised to the 1/5 power raised to the t power. It's important to note that my goal here is to find the value of the temperature y when t is equal to 10. Making that substitution gives us this equation. I replace t with 10, and 10 over 5 gives us 4/5 squared. Now we're in the home stretch, since this problem becomes mere arithmetic. The temperature at 10 minutes is 14 degrees, as we can see here, so the correct answer is B.